My name is Savita. I'm with Global Newsmakers. Congratulations on this IPO. The industry is pretty predominantly growing. You all aware of the infrastructure growth across India, Mumbai too. Because of the nature of constraint of space, it's obvious people are going for vertical parking. And given the potential, I want to understand how is it that your company is holding strong with the competition in terms of the quality, which should obviously come at a cost. Also, my second question is, you mentioned I also want to understand what are the challenges your industry faces in terms of the maintenance and the lifespan that this kind of parking might.
Yeah. So can I answer that? Yeah. So as far as the quality is concerned, it's a Swiss engineering basically. So if anybody is aware about Swiss engineering, they are the best in the world as far as the precision tool or precision engineering is concerned. Nobody can beat the Swiss engineering. So that is backed by Swiss engineering's 70 years of legacy. So this automated system started almost 70 years back in Europe. We are witnessing this now in our country. It's a new development. You can say the earliest one which was done, which I remember in Mumbai at Urla for puzzle parking, and that was almost 15 years back. But in Europe it started 70 years back, and the real growth what we are seeing is in last 4 to 5 years, where the demand for vertical parking or automated parking system has increased manyfold in cities like Mumbai, Pune, Delhi. Bangalore is also a big demand which is coming up now. So these are the cities, and other than that there are tier 2 and tier 3 cities also, what we explained earlier. So quality is backed by the Swiss company. We are also very much quality conscious. In fact, Sotefin Bharat is the only company which has having a TUV certification, an Indian parking system company, highest global standard quality certification, that is for safety purposes. So the most important parking system is the safety. These are all electromechanical parking systems. You construct for 20 floors, 30 floors like that. And it all works fully automated. Human interventions are not there. So we have to ensure the highest level of quality when we work at that precision. So this is where we have our own certification, TUV certification from Germany, what we got it recently, and that itself speaks for it. Now when it comes to competition, so generally the parking system is divided into two components, or rather generic name what we call it is an electromechanical parking systems. They are basically divided pallet-based parking systems like stack parking, puzzle parking, tower parking, and there is a fully automated robotic parking. The robotic parking is not on a steel pallet. You must have seen everywhere the car is parked on a steel pallet and the pallet moves along with the car. So those are highly mechanized parking systems. Whereas robotic parking system, from where our maximum revenue comes today, is basically your car is parked on a slab. So just in a layman language, when you come with your car to or take your car to a mall or any hotel, you just give your keys to the valet, and valet parks your car basically either in basement or podium, wherever the space is available. The valet is replaced by the robot. So actually the robot travels below the car, it lifts the car and it parks it as per the decision of the software in the given system. And it is parked on a slab only, without human intervention. No humans are allowed in the system. So as far as competition is concerned in robotic space, we do not have any competition in India as of now. There is one player from Germany, but compared to our more than 50 projects what we have completed, they have just done 2 projects till now in India. But in terms of technology also, what we possess is almost 15 years ahead of the technology what they are possessing today. And in the month of January, coming January also, we are going to introduce altogether new robot to the world. So that is how we innovate ourselves. We bring altogether new things to the market, and that's where we beat the competition. As far as the competition is stack parking, puzzle parking, tower parking, or steel pallet based parking, there are multiple players in the market, but it's a very competitive segment in that particular technology is concerned, which is pallet based technology. But in robotic, there is hardly any competition. That is what we have observed till now, and we anticipate that at least for next 8 to 10 years, we do not see any competition as such from any technology provider in robotic parking spaces concerned. Now come to challenges. Challenges in the form of maintenance of the system. Generally, the life of robotic parking system is 20 years with a refurbishment or at a cost of 20 to 30% of original capital cost. You can refurbish the system and extend the life for another 15 to 20 years. So overall life is around 35 to 40 years. And this is not only a statement, it is established, evident in cities of Europe where we have installed the systems in 80s, 85, 86, 87, robotic parking systems. Even today also they are fully functional. So that is what, and in India the oldest system what we have is, installed and operational even today is in 2014 in Delhi for 828 cars where 32 robos are functioning, and it is fully functional at Kamla Nagar, Delhi below Spark Mall. So that is the life of the product is concerned. And other than that, we provide complete O&M services, AMC services, everything is part of the contract only. So as such, we do not see any challenges in this particular parking systems are concerned. Yes, challenges in the form of educating the professionals, educating the end users, the developers, the government authorities, that what is the difference between different types of parking systems available in the world, what is best suited to them. So that is what is something where we constantly thrive, we try to meet them, we explain them, and then based upon all plus and minus or their internal analysis, they come to a conclusion that what kind of parking system they want to do. We have seen also that most of the municipal budgets annually announced by the municipal corporations, hardly any provisions are made for parkings. And we see the provisions are made for roads, metros, and so many other things, but no provision is made for parking. And I hope everybody over here, almost everybody must be facing a parking problem in Mumbai one or the other day. So it's a silent crisis which nobody realized, no planner realized that this will happen one day. Our roads are already fully developed. We have all end-to-end roads. Now we cannot cut them and we cannot widen them further. And all the roads on both sides are nowadays occupied by the car parks because there is no parking spaces available. So that is where we see a big opportunity where it is coming for. So that is how, so I do not see any challenges as such, but yes, we will have to step up to meet this kind of a demand, which we anticipate in near future, maybe next 2 to 5 years, a huge demand is going to come up and we have to get ready ourselves. And that is where the challenge lies internally, that how do we prepare from now. And that is why we started basically one factory. We are now setting up another factory for robotic manufacturing, and thereafter, the entire manufacturing process will be 100% made in India. And not only that, from here, this factory, it will be a global hub for Sotefin product manufacturing for the entire world. Thank you.
Good afternoon, team Sotefin.
So one second.
I am
My
Mehul
question is still unanswered. I understand. I want to understand because Mumbai, for that matter, is really growing. And the BMC, MMRDA, they all realize the fact that we need parking, even individual houses, because now I'm on a spree looking out for